Hello everyone, tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside to get our favorite twisted band. And after that, split the remaining hair into two along with the tail. Then how it split them into three parts and how it braid it in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then also braid the right side as well. And drop the right braid into the left loop and the left braid into the right loop. And combine them with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun we just now created. Save the side sections of the hair for later with the section of the hair at the back. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the top middle part of it and stretch the middle one and drop the tail into it. And have the side sections of the hair braided and make it go underneath the bun and over it. Then also pinch out the hair on top of your head to make it more volume. Then also drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Hold your hair from behind and have it tied with a rubber band, making a lovely ponytail. Then with the ponytail, split them into two parts and have a rubber band attach the middle one. Then at the top part, make a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the other tail and have it scrunch to the top and have it as a lump and secure that with little hairpins. Then after that, bring the tails together at the bottom and tie with the rubber band. Comb a few strands of hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and do it one more time. While doing it for the third time, drop it inside to get a twisted band. Then split them into two parts and have each of them split them into four parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band, roll the braid to the top and have it as a bun and drop in your lovely hairpin. Hold your hair from behind and make a ponytail out of it, then bring the top section and have it divided into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band, roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then have it secure underneath the bun we created. Then after that, drop in your favorite hairpin. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair on the top section and pinch out the hair on top. Then bring the back section to the front and have it tied with the rubber band. Then have another rubber band in the middle part and make a loop in the middle one. Drop the tail into it and stuff the tail into the middle part and make it as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Catch the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have another section of the hair from the left and drop it inside its own loop. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail out of it and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and drop it inside to get a twisted band. Grab another section of the hair right below it and drop it inside to get a twisted band again. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and split them into two parts and have each of them split them into four parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Fold the braid to half and move it to the top. Comb a few strands on the left side of the hair and tie a rubber band and create a loop by using your finger and drop the tail into it. Do the same thing on the right side as well. Then after that, combine both the tails together after pinching out the hair on the twisted band. Split them into three parts and have it braided in an extreme thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band and fold the braid to half and move it to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.